said I wouldn't come back, but I'm back. I'm gonna climb Songpanak. No, I'm gonna climb Hallasan again, Korea's highest mountain. Last time I set the rather unimportant record of the highest banana milk in all of Korea. I declare this to be the officially highest banana drink in all of Korea. And this time I'm going to set the much more impressive record of drinking the highest melon milk in Korea. No zombies this time. Wow. Wow. A monkey. How do you feel?
I feel like putting my banana in the yogurt.
Oh!
That sounded weird.
I feel like putting my banana in your yogurt.
One bit?
Singles Inferno. When they eat, you're like... Do you wanna say anything to your dad?
Bonjour papa. Tu peux m'envoyer un message directement. Pas besoin de parler de la vidéo.
Wow.
Mais oui, j'ai gagné le Tour de France.
Annyeong. The finest meal on top of the mountain.
Only the finest. 그래? 와와 와와. The photographer, a rare species seldom found in the mountains of Hallasan.
That's a crazy picture.
He appreciates trees. As long as you don't touch his camera, he will not bite you.
So cool! We climbed up all the way.
So green and blue and fresh. My goodness. Not much more.
Ruba, how are you? We made it!
Emotional. The wind made me tear up.
How do you feel? It feels nice. Oh my gosh.
Look at how bulging that is. It's like so fat. They said it couldn't be done. When I did it, the unthinkable. I brought a banana milk to the top of Korea. And now I'm about to do the impossible. The highest melon milk in Korea. I'm about to make an unscientific claim. Melon tastes sweeter at the top of Hallasan. Tastes even better. Looking at Korea's most famous puddle. They said it couldn't be done, and I did it twice. First banana, now melon. I think this is probably inspiring for a lot of people, and you're welcome.
Next one, strawberry milk.
I'll consider doing a strawberry milk, yeah, next time. They're actually quite difficult, but I'll give it a shot.
It was like some kind of bigger one. Because it was like...
안녕. Good.
You don't want...
What's
No, what's that? But we can have another one.
I'm so happy. I think I'm becoming a foodie. She's foodie now.
I tried and tried.
6 years of trying.
Yeah,
She's foodie.
me too, I
Just
tried.
only took one trip to Korea, and yeah, we just have to bring her to Korea.
How is it?
I'm in paradise.
After hiking to the highest point in Korea, we have now entered the wettest place in Korea. This is probably my favorite thing in the world. After a long day and doing something like a hike or just feeling sweaty and grimy, what more can you ask for? I truly think this is the key to surviving Korea's highest mountain. Climb, eat, and soak. Too good. If you like the vlog, like, comment, subscribe. It would make me so happy. Happier than soaking.